Hi there, I'm Julia, Chief Creative Officer for TOODLEY. When you're going to sign into TOODLEY as a user, first start by going to toodley.com in your browser. As you can see, we are here on the website. This is our home page. On the nav bar, we have a link to the home page, our services page, our hosts page, requests page, sign in, post a request, or list a service. We have our main search bar right here, where customers can put in keywords for services that they are looking for, or the location of the groups that they want to join. Let's put in Atlanta, for example. And things from Atlanta would come up. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that TOODLEY is for customers, like students and their parents, to find connection in groups, and for service providers who would like to host groups, sessions, and events. Some of our top categories are down here, which are extracurricular activities, essential subjects, arts and music, field trips, special needs services, life skills, coaching and consultation, and trade classes. Scrolling back up, we're going to get started by signing up. Okay, we're going to put in, right, if you don't have an account yet, you're going to register. Let's just pick this username and suggest password. Thanks, Google. You'll have to agree to the terms and conditions, which can be clicked here. They'll open in a new tab. You can read through them. They include our community standards, guidelines for TOODLEY members, host code of conduct, parent code of conduct, learner code of conduct, TOODLEY code of conduct, and our terms of use policy, which you can read through whenever you want. We'll click register. And then we'll have to check our email to activate our account. There it is. Registration is complete. We're going to click this here. And then we're verified. We'll return to the account. And then we'll have the option to input our account settings. Upload an image for your account profile. We'll do a picture here. And then we'll put in your first and last name. And you'll want to put some info about yourself in your profile. I've already written it in advance, so I'm just going to copy and paste here. For example, you could be a passionate homeschool mom with a talent for teaching essential subjects. Make sure your email is correct, and then save changes. Changes have been saved. And that's pretty much it.